Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Santorini Black Metallic. Now this is a Freelander Dynamic. Tell by the body kit and those lovely 19-inch anthracite alloy wheels. Santorini Black, privacy glass. So Dynamic, you get the body kit, makes the car look really chunky. Okay, 86,000 miles, £10,495, automatic, cam belt replaced, a lot of money spent on this car. It is beautiful. Freelander 2 2.2 SD4 Dynamic automatic, four-wheel drive, registered January or February 2013 on a 62. Daytime LED running lights, front park sensors, front fog lamps, gloss black grille. It's black with a black pack with a dynamic kit. You can see those Continental cross contact tyres which were fitted this year. They are virtually as new. This car's also recently had the cam belt done, recently been serviced. So mud flaps, look at those tyres, lovely Continental cross contacts. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful example of this. Those front brake discs are new, another matching tyre, not stone chipped, grill's not tatty, Bosch wiper blades, privacy glass, Meridian Hi-Fi, lovely heated black electric leather, front armrests, leather multifunction steering wheel, Bluetooth DAB radio, voice control, satellite navigation, freezing cold climate control and heated seats. Got all the terrain response buttons, got two keys, load cover, alloy, full-size spare wheel. We do have the fitted carpet mats as well, they're just drying. So those rear park sensors, the dynamic, so it's got the fancy exhaust tip. It's a new, later model with the chrome flash across the tailgate, so it's an SD4, slightly more powerful, slightly more economical. Immaculate in there, and as I say, full size with the 5th Michelin cross climate, or that's a Continental tyre. It's got Continental cross climates on the car and the spare wheelies. Roof spoiler, it's an optional extra. Fitted mud flaps. Drives like new, in lovely, lovely condition. What a nice Freelander. £10,495. Lovely spec. Cam belt done very recently and water pump. Recently serviced. What a nice thing. 86,000 miles, super smooth and quiet to drive, it really is. Lovely, lovely car. Driver's seat's not worn. Got the fitted mats. Comes with a year's MOT, what a beautiful thing. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk, that's our website, to see our other cars in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you would get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.